Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video we're going to be talking about this article here. This is from vehiclesuggest.com. It's basically saying that Tesla is bringing back the unlimited lifetime supercharging for the Model 3 inventory, just like the title says. So I guess Tesla wanted to move, but this is only for Canada only. So will it be moving to the United States anytime soon? I think possible, because 2.5 years ago when I got my car, I got 2 years free supercharging or 10,000 miles, right? So it's possible that it is going to come to the United States, because if Tesla really want to move the inventory, and I think that's one of the things that they're having issue with right now, because they're having so many cars. I did a video, I think maybe either a video or a short reel or a clip where I passed off a Citrus, and I forgot what the cross street was, but it was used to be like an old Ford dealership, I think Clipping or something. They have a lot of Teslas over there. They park over there. I don't know if, because they do have a service center in West Covina as well. Maybe they don't have enough space, that's why they park over there. But for us to see a lot of vehicle inventory like that means that Tesla is going to have to do something to really push all this out. So, and like this vehicle stated that right now they're currently offering 12 months, 18 months on free supercharging. But that probably going to last you about maybe a year and a half, right? So, and if the sales are not increasing and the interest rate or the APR, if it's not going down to 0% or it's not pleasing enough, then Tesla might have to do even a little bit more. Maybe instead of like 3 months of full self-driving, maybe 6 months, maybe a year, 2 years, who knows, right? But that is what Tesla is facing right now. And I just did a quick Google search on like the inventory for the Cybertruck, and a lot of article comes up and it suggests that Tesla has over 10,000 units. So for the Cybertruck to be sold, the price has to go down, because right now you're looking at about 72,000 or 77,000. That's still very, very high for the average income in the United States, right? So that is really pushing it. So if they were to even come out with the lower price one, like maybe in the 50, maybe instead of like dual motor, just make it single motor. Because when it originally, back when it first announced it, it was like what, 39,000 and then 69, right? But I don't know if Tesla even going to do that. But let's go to the Tesla website and see what kind of promotion that they're running right now, and we'll see. So after, you can see on here, it ends on August 18th. With the free upgrades, and right now 2.49 APR. This is regarding for Model 3, and then if you get the full self-driving, it's 0%. So it really try to to sell the package of full self-driving. And all of these here, you can see Tesla now redesigned their website, so you can see all the savings or the reduced price. Then there are a couple of things that could be involved in this one. Either it's a demo vehicle with a high mileage, or some kind of cosmetic repair that has happened to the vehicle. But this vehicle is 2025 and it has 3,790 miles. And as you can see, now Tesla doesn't hide anything anymore. They put everything up front for you to see. It says the red paint color is now free, 18-inch wheels, black interior, and here's a bonus: the 1 year free supercharging. The white ones, you're saving what, like 3,210. So let's I click on the red one, and just to see what it is, right? We go all the way to the top. So we probably all know the basic specs for the Model 3, right? This is 346, 125, pretty fast, 0-60 4.2 seconds. And we're looking at the financing part, and it tells you right here a little bit about the vehicle itself. Everything there, and financing. So here we can actually edit the financing part. So 2.49% APR and $2,650 down, and we'll do it for 60 months, and then this is including the 7,500 federal tax credit. And let's see, edit financing and see how much we're talking about here. So talking about this, you're looking at about $6,648 of your monthly after the savings, right? After everything's in there. Let's see, if you make a higher down payment, would it matter with the APR? I did that last time with 10,000. No, so this one, it doesn't really change. In order for this to go to the 0% APR, you would have to add the full self-driving in it for it to work. So that's the financing part. So let's say if you would just want to lease it, excuse me. So leasing it for 2 years, Tesla, do they have more than 3? They do have 2 years or 3 years. And 3,000 downs, given only 10,000 miles per year, you're looking at $493 a month. So, and this is how much it costs what we do at signing, $4,188. And then if you want to know the breakdown, just click on here and they give you the breakdown of it, right? For those of you who's not familiar with the Tesla, or who's on the verge, maybe it's better for you just to lease it, you know, for 2 years and drive it and see how you like Tesla. And if you like it, then, you know, buy it. But yeah, so let's say if we were to add the full self-driving, where is it? Somewhere up here, and add it, and let's see if we go to over here, we can edit the financing part, and we do it with the finance part, the APR automatically go down to, let's say this is 3,000 instead of right. So yeah, so to get the APR to 0, just add the full self-driving, and I mean, like that's like a bonus, because if you're already planning to get the FSD, then you might as well get it, and now you get it. It actually states right here too, 0% APR would have FSD supervised purchase or transfer at end September 30th. So remember, the goal is for them is to, by the end of the quarter, they have to sell a certain number of Tesla. And in order for Tesla to do this or to accomplish it, they will push a lot of incentive, right? Who knows, by then we might even get more incentive than what we are now, or more discounts, more savings, right? But currently that's what we have, right? So let's check on another one. Let's see. Check on the performance to see if they have any special on the performance. Check this out, performance. Reduced $3,140. $44,350 for 2025, with about a little bit under 5,000 miles. Here, under 50,000. So if you, and all of them, it looks like all of them have free 1-year supercharging, regardless. Okay, so if you like speed, the Model 3 performance, everything is good about it. There's no doubt. Check on the Model Y. Model Y, so far we don't see any incentive for the Model Y. We get a little bit of a reduced price here and there, but nothing much. Most is 1,800, right? 800, 500. Yeah, so I believe right now Tesla is testing like the extended version of the Model Y, and they are going to be producing soon in China, and I'm pretty sure it will come to America. I just don't know how soon it will, or how soon they will allow us to place the order, but just keep an eye on it. But Tesla, if you haven't driven a Tesla, even a demo, I suggest you guys go to your nearest Tesla center and check it out. And if you live in West Covina or nearby there, it's really easy. Go to the website and just pick schedule a time that you want to do a test drive. I did an overnight test drive with them, so if they have the vehicle, they'll let you do it. But it's really nice, it's really fun. But let's see what else. Oh, don't forget to use my referral code. All right, I think you get a little bit of savings there. But 3 months of full self driving, and I get a little bit of incentive for referral. I think maybe $250 off of you guys. Thank you very much. But that's pretty much it for this video, guys. Thank you for watching. If you have anything regarding about Tesla, buying a Tesla, issue with Tesla, if there's anything I can help, please don't hesitate, but leave a comment, okay? Other than that, be safe. Till next time.